Few things are as luxurious to me as slipping into a groovy mood at home and just being in my space. Not doing, being. And what better way to luxuriate than with a book and a good cup of tea? Tonight, I'm going to let you in on the secret of my turkey tail and chaga ImmuniTea, and I extend to you a gentle invitation to mindfully luxuriate with me. Turkey tail is one of my favorite mushrooms to forage. They're like nature's jewelry, blinging up dead and dying trees for a spectacular send-off. We've got turkey tail foraged in Louisiana, and we're also using chaga foraged in Maine and dried satsuma peels locally grown in Louisiana. This is chaga growing on a tree. Not much to look at, but don't let its humble appearance fool you. Science is now confirming what traditional medicine practitioners have known for lifetimes. Chaga is a superfood. This fungus boosts the immune system, reduces inflammation, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol, and even prevents and fights cancer. Sign me up. Satsumas, like oranges, tangerines, and clementines, are packed with vitamin C. Turkey tail is one of the most abundant and easiest to forage medicinal mushrooms. Now, I have a feeling Mama Nature planned it that way because turkey tail is loaded with antioxidants, it's an immune booster, anti-inflammatory, cancer fighter, and it's packed with prebiotics that promote gut health. I love knowing where the food I'm nourishing my body with came from. And to me, nothing feels better or tastes yummier than food I foraged with my own hands. Foraging has a powerful way of putting you in touch with your ancestors and giving you a direct connection to the land. If you want to feel more in touch with nature, which is really inseparable from who you are, so I could also say if you want to feel more in touch with yourself, then consider foraging. Nature's pharmacy is open, my funky friends. Let's prepare our turkey-tailed decoction that will blend with the chaga and orange peels. Rip a cup of turkey tail into small pieces. Add 6 cups of water to a saucepan. Add your turkey tail to the water before it heats up. You can even add it first. You'll notice that they fatten up as they absorb the water. So cool. Let's give it a stir. I love watching this process unfold. Nature got it going on. Bring that water to a boil. Cover it and reduce to simmer. Let your tail simmer while you simmer down for 45 minutes. You might want to bust out that book. All right, it's smelling nice and shroomy in here, and the water is a rich gold color. Time to strain the decoction. Add 2 tablespoons of ground chaga, a heaping tablespoon or more of dried citrus peels. I'm also going to throw in a couple pinches of cinnamon. Now let it mix and mingle and do its thing for about 15 minutes before pressing. This is my favorite tea mug. My mom gave it to me for Christmas over a decade ago, and just seeing it brings me joy every day. It's cool and heavy in my hand, and I like that. It's even more special to me since a magical meeting with a mama moose on the AT last summer. Let's get it. One more ingredient to take our ImmuniTea's healing properties over the top: a little Maine-made maple syrup. And now for the best part. If you enjoyed this chill out, please like and subscribe for new videos every week. Peace, y'all.